Welcome to the Unique Budget Planner. This all-in-one tool helps you take control of your finances by tracking income, expenses, all in one visual, easy-to-use spreadsheet. Before you begin, please make a copy of the planner. The shared file is read-only, so go to File, click Make a Copy, give it a name like Budget January 2025, and save it to your Google Drive. The dashboard gives you a quick snapshot of your monthly budget. The Setup tab is where your budgeting starts. Enter your name, bio, currency, and select the budgeting month. After the basic info, define your expected income and expense categories. This data powers your dashboard. In the Transactions tab, log your actual income and expenses as they happen. Just enter the date, amount, description, and choose a category from the drop-down. These records automatically update your dashboard in real time. If you want to change the profile picture, then double-click on the picture, then click again on Picture. On the top bar, click the Replace Image button. Click on Upload tab, then browse your picture. After selecting the picture, click the Save and Close button. For Excel file, open the file. Then click on the picture, then right-click again on Picture. In the menu, select the Change Picture and then this device. Browse your picture. And that's it. With just a few minutes each day, the Unique Budget Planner keeps you organized, focused, and financially confident. Start now and take charge of your money.